Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mililani Town, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be expensive or time consuming. 3 Movers offers affordable long distance moving services with no hidden charges. So give us a call today and let us know what the schedule is for your move. We do all the heavy lifting while you relax and enjoy the ride. All of our employees are thoroughly background checked and drug tested, as well as trained in essential safety tips to help protect your belongings and family during the move. 3 Movers is a top-notch local moving company offering local movers. We can pick up your belongings from one house or apartment in your neighborhood and deliver them to another nearby. To avoid unexpected costs or hassles, make sure to clarify these details when hiring local movers. Whether you're moving across town or the country, our trained team will arrive on time on your move date and make sure your belongings reach their destination safely and at the scheduled time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mililani Town moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.